a delicious street food from Osaka, an octopus bowl called tako in Japanese. Finding octopus can be hard in some countries, so we'll make ours Tako-Less Takoyaki. Yo! Hi everyone! Today we're making takoyaki, and for that we will need takoyaki flour, eggs, oil, green onions, some seafood assortment, dried bonito, fish sausages, red pickled ginger, Tenkasu, takoyaki sauce, mayonnaise, and green lave. Okay, so we will start now by making the flour. Using the flour, we use our eggs and our water and we mix both. And then we start adding the flour little by little once it's this color. With that, our mix will become a little bit harder, and it will add the delicious taste. So my friend added a lot of flour, I think. This looks a little bit solid, so maybe we will need to add some water. And look, this is the consistency we are looking for. Now we use oil so the takoyaki won't be stuck to the plate. And we pour our mix. We added some cabbage this time because it's also delicious. These ones are not actual takoyaki, they are Tako-Less takoyaki because we thought it would be easier to use food that you can find in Malaysia. So we use our seafood assortment that we put in the middle, and then our sausages and some shrimps, and this is our red pickled ginger. It's so delicious. It's so important to add the red pickled ginger because it adds a lot of taste. Then we add our green onions and the Tenkasu. And we let it fry. You have to get around the holes so you can turn the takoyaki. It looks so great. Look at this. We turn the takoyaki so they can be round and beautifully shaped. Easier than it looks to turn them, but then when you turn it a second time, it's a little bit more difficult. So here they are, beautifully grilled and delicious. Now we will add some sauce, and on top of it some mayonnaise. Then we add our green lave. And finally, the bonito! There we are! Oh, doesn't it look absolutely delicious? And look at it, the bonito is moving, that's the fun part.